capital is needed to open an automatic motorbike wash combined with how much cleaning? If you open an automatic motorbike wash combined with how much cleaning, a currently trained business model, how much capital is needed to start? It sounds simple, but many people immediately picture a large sum when they hear this question, and the feelings of apprehension arise. In reality, the actual figures will surprise many, and they might even regret not researching sooner. First, you need to understand one thing clearly. Southeast Asia is a country of motorcycles. Everywhere from city center to suburb, there are countless motorcycles, and the demands for watching them is daily and almost never decreases. However, today's consumers are different. They no longer want to queue for 20 to 30 minutes to have their vehicle washed manually. They want speed, professionalism, and new experience. And that's why automatic motorbike washes have emerged and become the trend. A Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine washes a bike into 2 to 4 minutes. No manual labor. No worries about staff absenteeism or inconsistent skill level. You only need one employee to guide customer and secure the bike in the machine. The machine is the rest. This is a major step forward, creating a new standard. Faster, more stable, more professional, easier to manage. If you only offer us motorbike washings, you haven't fully exploited the potentials of its customer. This is why helmet cleaning service were created. Think about it. Every motorcyclist needs a helmet. After a few months of use, helmets get dirty, smelly, and bacteria, and mold appear. Manual cleaning is time-consuming. Does not completely eliminate bacteria in the rain. Helmets take a long time to dry and develop an unpleasant odor. The Go&Go helmet washing machine can wash, steam, and dry helmets in 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the type. Operating costs are only about 9 cents, but the service price ranges from $2 to $3 depending on the helmet. A clean, freshman, disinfected, and dry helmets in just a few months make customers extremely satisfied and likely to return. Combining these two services creates a very logical business model. Clean vehicle, fragrant helmets, a new experience, short waiting time, reasonable cost, repeat customer. This is also why many investors consider this model a rapidly developing automatic business trend in the future, especially in densely populated residential areas, near school, gas station, markets, industrial zone, cafes, or high traffic routes. Imagine this scenario: a customer returning home from work, their vehicle covered in mud after a rain day. The helmet damp and smelly. If they go to the traditional motorbike wash, they have to queue for 20 to 50 minutes, then wait for the helmet to dry for hours, or take them home to wash manually, which is time-consuming and quite inconvenient. But at Go&Go, everything is completely different. Motorbikes are washed clean in just 2 to 4 minutes, and helmets are washed, disinfected, and dried in 10 to 15 minutes. The space in need, modern and feel comfortable and professional. That's the experience that makes customers satisfied and easily return. Go&Go equipment can be moved and installed relatively quickly. The technical team will support transportation, installation, and direct activities, ensuring smooth operation from day one. This helps to save time, reduce risk in the preparation and operation phase, and quickly attract customers as soon as you open the store. Many people hesitate to invest because they think this model is complicated. But in reality, an automatic motorbike wash only requires 220 volt or 380 volt electricity and minimum 1 cubic meter water tank, and space for vehicles to enter and exit. The operation process is extremely simple. Go&Go technical team will directly transfer in charge on operation and provide technical support throughout the entire user experience. The transportation and installation process is also carried out professionally. The machine is packaged and transported to the location, and Go&Go technical team install and test it before handover. You will be instructed on how to use it, how to perform regular cleaning, as well as tips for smooth operation and long-term efficiencies. Now returning to the opening questions. How much capital do you need to open an automatic motorbike wash combined with helmet cleaning? I won't reveal the exact figure in this video because its model, area, and level of infrastructure will vary. But more people who come to the factory to see the demo machine are surprised because the actual capital investment is reasonable, suitable for many investors, including beginners. If you want to become a pioneer in the automatic motorbike wash and helmet cleaning business model, don't let the hesitation of thinking it is expensive hold you back. Come and experience it firsthand, see the machine in operation, and receive advice on installation, operation, and the actual business model. Only through real-world experience will you truly understand the value, potential, and make the right decision for yourself. Call our hotline now to schedule a direct experience at the Go&Go factory. Every cleaning bike, every fragment helmet, and every certified customer will be living proof of the success of this model.